What's up YouTube, it's your boy Gxr Matt, back on the Gxr, looking fucking jacked and shit. Today, here in beautiful New Jersey, is Fitted. I think that's what it's called, it's a car show. I'm on the way there, running late. I think it started at 12, ends at like 6, supposed to be there at 2, but my GPS is bringing me to Starbucks, because I gotta do a Starbucks run, because there's some friends there. And you're like, Matt, a Starbucks run, you're on your bike. Hell yeah, I'm on my bike. We're about to see how hard it is to carry Starbies on a bike. I'm the most scholared biker you've ever seen. Hello. That's funny. 30 minutes, cool. I don't have earbuds and whatever. We're just gonna listen to Suzuki sing. You know what I'm saying? This shirt is raping my nipples. This is fucked up. It's actually not as warm as I thought. It's a little nippy on here. Should have thrown a hoodie on. I'm an asshole. I think we'll put the Starbucks right here. Wow, fuck. How am I supposed to do this? I ain't trying to die. This bitch is not paying attention. Oh, behind a Prius. This is abuse. Bike sounds so good. It's just like, wah, bow, hello. I really need to find my sweet spot for where to put this microphone though, so that it's not as like crackly and stuff. I mean, I pretty much rock like my chin air vent closed to help with it. But if I'm going fast enough, or if it like moves to like a different spot, that's when you kind of hear it crackling. But I think we'll be fine. Man, I'm just trying to think here. Oh wow, they redid this road under the bridge, finally. The potholes that used to be there were insane. Fucking insane. Like, fuck your whole day up. I can't even imagine going through it on a bike. I mean, even on my car, it's just fucking painful. Feel bad for the car. Guys, correct me if I'm wrong on my New Jersey, PA, New York residents, but is there anything cool that goes on in New Jersey bike related? I mean, I've only had my bike for a month, so like, I wouldn't even know. I mean, I know I go to car meets and usually a bunch of bikes show up, including myself, and even before I got a bike. But is there really any events? I mean, there's a lot of like car shows around. I don't know about bikes. So, let me know. Oh, here we go. It's hot again. Oh, no, back to cold. Alright, I'm over this. I guess it wants me to go straight. Oh yeah, open that baby up. It's 35, I'm going 50. Starbucks. Let's practice for the Starbucks. Okay. Could someone send me a cup holder? Or maybe some brain cells? I don't know, either or. Just chilling. It's probably a good time to dance. I know the light's red, but I feel like waiting behind these guys. Come on, bro, you have to move up. It's not gonna fucking read me. Oh, okay, turn yellow. It's reading someone. No one's going. Yo, this road? Okay, this road is fucked up. That whole, like, takeoff phase was fucked. Yo, I got myself into some shit. How the fuck am I supposed to pull this off? I don't know. I don't know. But we got 8 minutes to find out. Is this shit rusty or something? Like, what's going on? It's like squeaking. Beautiful roads. Look at these things. That's a dope ass house. And spike traps. Imagine flying into one of those. That'd fucking suck. Of course you're gonna pull out. What's this place? No. Nice gravel road to get there though. Ba-dum-bum, ba-bum. Look at that. Two homies chilling on a cruiser. They kind of look like my MSF course instructors. They had nice big bikes like that. And they're fully geared. Six minutes until our biker skills get put to spot. Looks like we're going to a nice little town scene here in Skillman, New Jersey. If you haven't heard of it, here it is. It's pretty much by like Princeton, Hillsborough, but it's Skillman. Oof. What's the speed limit here? 30. And there's the drive-thru. Hey Siri. Oh, I don't think that's gonna work. Hey Siri. Call Randy on speaker.
Calling Randy Wells, home on What can I get you today?
Can I get a venti strawberry acai with lemonade, no berries?
Absolutely. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Got it. We'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
Yep.
Whee! It's like Mario Kart, like a speed boost. I seem like such an asshole, it's not even funny.
Hey, what's up?
Hello, how you doing?
How you doing?
Pretty good.
613. Thank you.
Thank you. No, it's okay. Thank you.
Here you go.
Hold on. Boop. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. What the fuck? Motherfucker. What's up, peeps? Ah, fuck me with the stick. I mean, I suppose I don't know what the fuck I'm about to do. Hell yeah. Close my visor. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Did I drop a lot? Not really. Oh my god, this is by where I learned how to drive fucking manual in a Honda Civic we test drove in the dealer. Holy shit. Whew. I'm an asshole. Hey Siri, call Randy on speaker.
Calling Randy Wells. Home on speaker. Hey.
You can take your Starbucks?
What?
I'm gonna hand you your Starbucks. Yeah. See. Where the fuck is their car? Maybe this way. Que pasa way?
Do you listen?
No.
I said go around the building.
Does it matter?
Yes.
Why?
You're supposed to go through there.
Why? I just asked the cop.
I know. I told you to go around.
I literally just asked the cop, so I'm still at the same spot. You gonna fucking stare at me or you gonna drive? Like, I'm confused. Man, my mirrors are dirty. Intersection. Speed hump? What the fuck? That was interesting. Speed bump in just like the middle of like a random ass road. Ba-doom. Teehee teehee. Oh my god, that's such a long fucking light.